Ronaldo said that Perplexity helped him organize his thoughts and overcome his nerves before going on stage. Perplexity also overtook Grok on web traffic, and Perplexity's CEO has been making bold claims about their Comet browser on X.com. Perplexity AI even made a $34.5 billion all-cash offer to buy Google's Chrome browser in August 2025. All of this makes it very clear that Perplexity is very confident of their AI and even more confident about their AI-powered Comet browser. And if you still think that this is just hype and that AI has no real-life use cases, then you are absolutely wrong. Perplexity made its Comet browser available for everyone, and honestly, it is one of the most exciting AI tools I have tried in a while. If you haven't heard about this new Comet browser or haven't tried it yet, this video will give you a complete picture. Not just the features, but how it actually performs in real-world use cases. My favorite part about Comet is that it has Iron Man's Jarvis-like assistant, and it can literally give you discounts on your online purchases. I have been using Comet for quite a while through the Pro plan, which I got for free with my student ID. Normally, that plan costs $20 a month, but students get 1 month free and you can extend it up to 2 years for free, worth nearly $480 in savings. That is an amazing deal if you are a student. Installing Comet is straightforward. You can go to their official page or just use the first link in the description and it will take you to the official website. Click download Comet, enter your email and verify it. Once installed, launch it and go through the short setup. You can import your bookmarks, choose a profile icon which Perplexity calls as planets because its browser is called Comet. I hope you see what they did there. After that, you will once again need to verify your email and you can verify your student status to get 1 month of Pro plan for free. Now, let's start exploring. The interface feels modern, clean and lightweight, similar to Chrome, but underneath it is powered by Perplexity's AI engine. The real difference is that instead of just showing you links, Comet searches, reads, summarizes and acts almost like having a virtual assistant living inside your browser. The first and still my favorite use case of Comet is that it can actually find and apply discount codes automatically. For instance, when I was on Hostinger's checkout page, I typed "Find me a coupon code that works on this page." Comet started browsing the web, testing coupons and even applied them directly. Within minutes, my total dropped from $191 to $172. You can see a blue outline appear as the AI takes control of the browser. That is when it is testing codes. Comet is a real money saver. It does take time to find these discount codes, but the wait is worth the outcome. Next, Comet can summarize entire web pages. Let's say you open the Wall Street Journal that has dozens of articles and tons of clutter. With one click on summarize, Comet condenses everything and neatly groups it into sections like business, finance, lifestyle and editorials. You can also filter it by asking something like "show me only tech related news" and you won't need to read the entire page. This is really good for lengthy web pages and it saves you from scrolling for hours. Now, what if you don't have time to watch an entire YouTube video? Comet handles that too. For example, I opened MKBHD's iPhone 17 Pro review, clicked Assistant and selected Extract Key Takeaways. Within seconds, it summarized the video, highlighting design, camera, performance, new Pro features and cooling improvements. This is excellent for quick insights. It doesn't replace watching videos, but it does save you huge amounts of time. Not only this, but you can also compare videos made by different creators on the same topic. I opened MKBHD's and Mr. Who's the Boss iPhone 17 reviews and asked Comet, compare both these videos and list the key takeaways and issues. It instantly produced a comparison table showing both reviewers' opinions side by side, like the lack of 8K recording and light flares in the camera. This is really useful if you are doing product comparisons. The next use case is also related to YouTube, and you might feel that I have already covered this, but no, this is slightly better than the previous two use cases. I opened Ryan's 50 Days 50 States series and asked Comet, which state is Ryan traveling to in this video? It analyzed the thumbnail and replied Minnesota. Then I asked where does he go next and it correctly said Iowa. Comet can also identify locations shown in videos. For example, in which state is this airplane Airbnb located, and Comet correctly answered Wisconsin. This use case is really impressive. You can not only extract general information but also extract specific information from videos without watching them. You don't even need to open YouTube. If you want to watch videos, just type "open the MrBeast video where he meets Ronaldo" and Comet instantly opens it in a new tab on YouTube. The next use case is very useful for students and researchers. I opened a 450-page AI report and asked, what does this report talk about? Comet summarized it into structured sections, listing topics and insights. Then I asked which countries does this report mention, and it listed the countries perfectly. You can use this feature to extract information from lengthy research papers and save hours of reading time. And if you are a multitasker, you will love this. You can ask Comet to group similar tabs together and it organizes them into sections like news, shopping, YouTube, and reports. You can also type close all YouTube tabs and it instantly cleans your workspace. This is perfect for researchers or anyone juggling too many tabs. Let's talk about travel planning. You can tell Comet to take control of your browser and find the best round-trip flights between any two locations. It searches websites like Skyscanner, lists flight options, prices, timings, sources, all verified and clickable. This is a very powerful and practical use of AI. It is great for travelers who want real results without endless browsing. I also tried telling Comet, plan a road trip from Rome to Switzerland with 5 stops in between. It opened Google Maps on its own, traced the full route, added stops in real time, and displayed a total distance and a travel time. This process did take some time, but it was really fun to watch AI plan the journey live. Comet also shines when shopping. I asked it to compare the prices of MacBook Air across websites. It fetched results from multiple platforms, displayed summaries, and highlighted where it is cheapest. Comet makes online shopping smarter. You don't need to open multiple tabs to compare. After that, I asked Comet to compare a MacBook Air with Asus TUF A16. It analyzed specs like processor, RAM, storage, display, performance, and price, and built a clean table showing everything. This feature is detailed, gives accurate information from websites, and super helpful before making a purchase. You can also use it to find documents or sections in website that are difficult to locate. I wanted to locate HubSpot's template marketplace, which was hard to find manually. So I just told Comet, find the template marketplace on this site. It took control, browsed through the site, and found it automatically. This saves time and clicks and works surprisingly well on well-structured websites. You don't even have to learn Excel formulas while using Comet. I had some students score data and wanted to calculate the average. I asked Comet, give me the formula to calculate the average, and it instantly replied. After applying it, I got my averages in seconds. I know this is a very simple task, but it is incredibly convenient for quick spreadsheet fixes. You can also use it for writing or note-taking. I gave Comet a paragraph full of grammatical errors and asked it to fix it. It corrected the text instantly. Then I asked it to replace the old one with the corrected version, and it did that too. You can also make it summarize, reformat, or highlight important points in long documents. It feels like having Grammarly built directly into your browser. If you hate typing the same information repeatedly, then this one is for you. I uploaded a sample resume and asked Comet to fill out a form using it. It started reading the data and automatically filled every matching field, leaving only the unknowns blank. This is a huge time saver for job applications or repetitive web forms. Comet connects with your favorite apps like Gmail and Notion. Ask it, show me my latest Gmail, and after connecting your account, it displays it instantly. No need to open Gmail. You can even type and send emails directly. And the best part of Comet is its voice mode. It literally makes you feel like Iron Man giving commands to Jarvis. You can turn it on by clicking here and you can just talk to your browser. Hi, introduce yourself.
Sure, I'm your AI assistant, here to help you find information, manage your browser, and answer your questions. Just let me know what you need help with today.
Tell me about the iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17 features a more powerful A18 Bionic chip, improved camera technology with enhanced night mode and 8K video recording, and longer battery life. It also includes a more durable design and new software features enhancing user experience.
Find the iPhone 17 launch video on YouTube. Take me to the Apple website.
I've opened the official Apple website for you. You can explore all the latest information about Apple products and updates there.
You can see that it executes commands flawlessly and there is no typing required. As you saw so far, Comet has some really insane use cases and I didn't even cover all of them. Whether you are saving money, summarizing videos, planning trips, or automating tasks, Comet turns the browser into a true AI assistant. It's not perfect. Sometimes it takes a few minutes too long or misses context on smaller websites. But when it works, it's great. Also, there is a risk of providing your personal data. You might have seen that in all of my use cases, I avoided giving any personal information and only took information from Comet. Of course, it is very useful, but that does not mean you should start giving all of your personal information to an AI. If you are a student, researcher, content creator, or anyone who lives online, this browser will definitely make your life easier. And as I already said, it is free. Student can get 2 years of free access, so if you want to try it, you can use the first link in the description to download and test it. If you want to watch a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to download the Comet browser, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.